then up into the third hairpin. Here's another group of bikes that we've got. Let's see who we've got here. The 85. So that's Billy Carter, and that's probably Hudson Cooper and Charlie Pearson just behind. So 217 and the 100, yes it is. So they're having a nice little scrap here at the back of the grid. So this is 8th, 9th and 10th, and they're having a cracking little battle here. So Charlie Pearson looking to the inside, can't quite do it there. But Billy Carter leading this little group of 3 as the 217 of Hudson Cooper looking to the inside, thinking against it that time. Still staying into position now as these guys go down into the tricky hairpin, tricky left-hander I should say, or right-hander I should say. And there we go as they go through Sunny Bend now into the final corner, Paddock Bend. I can see them out the window of the cafe. I wouldn't say Cwbikes, but we are in the cafe. As they cross the line, 7 laps. And there we go. So the 217 is really closed up. So it's Hudson Cooper all over the back now of Billy Carter as they go through. But they're the 100 there. That's Charlie Pearson. He's tried to really go wide there and tried to get back. Can't quite do it that time. As they go down the gears into this hairpin here. Cracking stuff. Some really good racing lines from these guys. As they're going through, and of course these are some of the younger riders, and it's great to see them out there really showing us what they can do. And it's a good exit there from the 217 of Hudson Cooper, but now he's got the company of Charlie Pearson. Pearson on the outside, they're almost 3 wide into this hairpin here. Pearson backs out of it though, which is a very wise thing to do, and he manages to slot in behind, but it's still Cooper on Carter. Carter still at the front of this little group of 3. So 6 laps to go. There's still plenty of opportunity to gain positions here for all these riders. Let's just see what they can do as they go down now into the final corner, going past the start-finish line and the comms box. Up the hill now into turn number 1. You can see the little patch there that was left in qualifying earlier today. Not sure if that was for you or all, but yeah. There, fastest lap of the race though, Daniel Stevenson. He's just crossed the line now and set that. And these guys still very close actually. Hudson Cooper there having to avoid Carter. Carter coming back up onto the circuit quite quickly, almost collecting the front wheel. But these guys still trying to find any gap they can. Going to